Good afternoon. It's December 28th, 2023, and today we just had a range day. And this is pretty common, um, end of the year and times around holidays where people don't trade much just to get some sideways stuff. And this is a large enough range to be able to trade. So you see, it looked like maybe we would get two measured legs down here after this leg, but we came up short, and it looked like maybe this was a channel, but we got a break. And so you're probably just going sideways if you're staying within the overnight highs and lows. And so that's what we got today. I'm realizing I didn't mark any scalps in here, but what Al Brooks says about ranges is buy in the lower third, just about there, just about anywhere below where the prices are at right now, really. Buy in the lower third and sell in the higher third. So let's just say, sell in the upper third. So let's just say this is the upper third. There's a lot of money to be made today, just following that strategy. So we'll go through it and I'll mark off the potential scalps that I see. 530 comes in right here. And you don't really get much of a setup for a second entry short. This is not a new high, so you can't take that. And then we bounce. And right at the open, you get some bullish momentum, but this proved to be a level of resistance, and it turns out that's the midline of the range, so it makes sense that there's resistance. But unfortunately, I don't see any great scalp setups in here. Then we get some more momentum, starts going higher. They trap all these people thinking, we're in this bull market, so they trap all the people who have been looking at this and saying that this market is going to just go straight up. People are just thinking that, and then they take it back down. And this is a reasonable setup right here. You get this double bottom with a lot of room back to the EMA. I think that's reasonable. It's by no means a great or perfect trade, but it's reasonable to want to buy there. This one right here, you're going straight into the midline, so it's not great. But you can see there's definitely some support right there. So that's a decent idea. And then we come up and hit this area of resistance, and it drops. And you come all the way down here, and you actually get a second entry long right there. So, and that's a new low. So, I mean, that's a low probability but high reward type trade right there. And you do get a higher low, failed second entry short, but you're right in the middle of the range, and you're right in the middle of the range here too. So I mean, if you like this, maybe you take one of these and come up here, and you do get like a quick double test, lower high, failed second entry, going right into that midline again. So not really seeing any high probability scalps, but I think there was plenty of opportunities to swing trade today. So here again is how it looks like on the daily chart. So we're moving higher, but it's just a doji. So hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.